Installation of multifunctional carbon dioxide laser cutter engraver machine. Put machine accessories. Water chiller. Exhaust fan. Toolbox. Air pump and pipe. Laser tube. Prepare 15 liters distilled water. Scissors. Screwdriver. Water funnel. Computer or laptop. Extension socket. Handle installation. 1. Open the cover of the laser tube box. Get the handle and bolts from the toolbox. 2. Install the handle to the machine. Install other handles as the same. Laser tube installation. 1. Loosen the laser tube straps. Put the laser tube gently on the laser tube holders and fix it with the straps. 2. Remove the positive pole protective cap. 3. Remove positive pole screw with a screwdriver. And connect the laser power supply high voltage wire to the laser tube positive pole with the screw. 4. Put on the protective cap. 5. Remove negative pole screw. And connect the laser power supply low voltage wire to the laser tube negative pole with the screw. 6. Connect the laser tube outlet water pipe to the port at right. And the inlet water pipe to the port at left. 7. Lock the cover of laser tube box. Water chiller installation. One. Connect the water chiller inlet A1 to the machine outlet A1. 2. Connect the water chiller outlet B1 to the machine inlet B1. 3. Open the electric control box. 4. Cut the ties and get the water protection cable. Cut the water protection cable to the water chiller. 5. Cut the ties and get the USB cable. Kit the USB cable to the computer. 6. Lock the electric control box. 7. Open the chiller water filling hole. Put a funnel and pour distilled water into the chiller. Observe the water level during water injection. The water level should be in the middle of yellow range. 8. Screw up the cap. 9. Connect the water chiller to power. Exhaust fan installation. 1. Place the exhaust fan next to the machine air outlet. 2. Connect the exhaust fan air inlet and machine air outlet with an wind pipe. You can cut the air pipe if it's too long. 3. Fix another wind pipe to the exhaust fan air outlet. 4. Connect the exhaust fan to power. Air pump installation. 1. Place the air pump next to the machine. 2. Connect the air pump air outlet with machine air inlet with an air pipe. 3. Plug the air pump power cable to machine rear socket. Machine testing. 1. Connect the laser machine to power. 2. Voltage for the machine is single phase 220 voltage or 110 voltage. Please refer to the contract specifications or consult laserman. 3. Switch on the water chiller. 4. Open laser tube box cover and check if the water flow and circulation inside tube is okay. Lock the laser tube box cover. 5. Deactivate the machine emergency stop button. Switch on machine power switch. And check if the front display is normal. 6. Machine installation has been done. Please go ahead with mirror alignment.